Understanding the freight market is vital to the success of the owner-operator. In this video, we'll help you gain visibility into the current conditions regarding demand, rates, and where we are in the market cycle. The Federal Reserve Board's Industrial Production Index, which measures the real output of various manufacturing industries, is a great indicator of demand, especially when we remove outsized influencers like pharmaceuticals and computer and electronic products. Manufacturing activity, excluding these sectors, increased for the second consecutive month to 97.9, while activity overall was down 0.8% year-over-year and is 2.1% below 2019 levels. Some freight-generating sectors are starting to turn a corner, such as non-metallic mineral products, paper, and wood. Cass's Truckload Line Haul Index measures fluctuations in rates per mile for the truckload sector within Cass's vast network. It's a broad market indicator that includes both spot and contract rates. The index increased 1.2% month-over-month in December to 140.7, which marks 4 months of consecutive increases. While rates have been down year-over-year for 24 straight months, they are at their lowest point since the start of the freight recession and are poised to turn positive. Truckstop and FTR's Market Demand Index, or MDI, identifies where we are in the market cycle by measuring the spread between total MDI and the 3-year moving average. Whenever the spread begins to move sharply towards zero, the market shifts accordingly. The total MDI spread improved by 7.3 points to negative 15.6 in December. The spread has improved 77.2% from its most recent low in July 2023. While manufacturing activity is still weak overall, we believe the market will turn upward by late Q1 or early Q2. The first half of 2025 should be a good one for truckers. To find more info about the freight market, please visit us at www.ooida.com/foundation. You can find the most recent report at the link in the notes below.